In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly open your AI files as new XD projects, and also how to import them into existing XD projects. So let's dive right in. Starting off with opening your AI file as a new XD project, the first thing you'll want to do is open Adobe XD. Once you've got the program up and running, move your eyes to the upper left corner of your screen and click on File in the menu bar. Hover your mouse over to Open and give it a click. If you're a fan of keyboard shortcuts, there's a quick way to do this, by pressing Ctrl+O on Windows or CMD+O if you're using a Mac. This little shortcut can save you a few seconds and is a great habit to get into if you often find yourself navigating through files. Now, you'll be presented with the Open dialog window. Here, what you'll need to do is navigate to the location on your computer where your .ai file is stored. Take your time if you're not sure where it is. It's always better to double-check the location. Once you've found your .ai file, select it and click on Open. What happens next is quite magical. Adobe XD will take your Illustrator artboards along with any vector assets and import them right into a new XD document. You'll see your design come to life, neatly placed as individual artboards in XD. This is particularly helpful if you're transitioning designs from Illustrator to work further in XD, giving you a fresh start in a familiar workspace that's prepped for whatever design magic you're planning on creating. Now, maybe instead of starting fresh, you want to bring that Illustrator file into an already existing XD project. No worries, this is just as straightforward. First, make sure you have your existing XD project open. With the project open, return to the menu bar at the top and once again, click on File. This time, you'll be selecting Import. Similar to the process before, navigate to where your .ai file is located on your computer. Select it and hit the Open button. Adobe XD will now import those assets directly into your current project. The assets will appear below any existing artboards or in the available canvas space if your current project setup allows for it. This flexibility is fantastic for when you're dealing with a larger project and need to incorporate multiple design elements from different sources. It's all about maximizing efficiency by keeping everything you need in one consolidated space. And there you have it. 2 methods for bringing your Illustrator creations right into Adobe XD, ready for you to continue crafting your design vision. Thank you for tuning in, and happy designing.